Good morning, guys. How are you today? Hi. I did not drink all the coffee today, so there's that. I'm also running out of time. I didn't realize how late it was. Well, I kind of did. I just got busy doing other stuff, and then I was like, oh my god. So today is look 3 out of 4 on Jawbreaker, using the third row of the palette, like we discussed. So that will be, I'll make sure I'm getting into view this row. This is gonna be a bright look. This is gonna be a hard look to do. Actually, I think I might just do I'm gonna be bad. And I'm gonna take the easy road. Cause I'm running out of time. I don't even know, don't even ask me. Might edit that out. Okay. I really want to use soaked, but I want to use soaked with other colors. Oh my god. So, I mean, I feel bad for kind of cheating on this one, but sometimes life gives you lemons and you make lemonade. Alright, I'm not gonna go the easy route. Oh, it's 7:30. Alright, we're gonna blend like it's no tomorrow, okay guys? So we're taking, I didn't even tell you what I was doing. So we're taking raspberry and putting her up here in the crease. I did put on some Morphe eye primer. We're gonna cheat just a tiny bit because I really need a blending transition shade up there because all these colors are just so dark in this row. Okay, I'm speaking too fast. I need a transition shade. So I'm gonna take Good Morning, which is on the top row, which we didn't use the first time. And I'm just gonna blend out raspberry just a little bit. Barely. Like, you can't even tell I used her. Which is gonna make all of the world of the difference. Because I can't do harsh lines. I'm sure I could have done soaked and then raspberry, but it's like, you've already... God, soaked is such a color. Talk about being like the life of the party right there. Friday's looks gonna look weird. Oh, I don't like this. This is why I like filming with more time, because then I'm not as like freaked out about my time limit. But my phone distracted me today. Alright, so I'm going to take raspberry and just deepen her up a bit. Because I feel like, you know, raspberry kind of got left out in the rain there for a little bit. So I took, I'm not even telling you, I'm so sorry. This is gonna be like the worst video I've ever edited. So I took soaked and put her underneath the blue waterline, eyelash line. I'm gonna take raspberry and I'm gonna connect the two and blend in. Doing that almost kind of made Colbert, I keep calling it Colbert, soaked and raspberry into purple, which I'm kind of living for. Let's take and what and put her in the corner. She's gonna have fallout, I can already tell. Oh my god. She is just, whew. On some mascara and pray to God it looks good. Okay, so I put on mascara, I put on black eyeliner in my lower, on my waterline, and then I put on Christmas Cookie, which is definitely my favorite nude of all time. I'm gonna say this is my 4th of July look. For July 3rd. I don't know. I mean, I like it, but I don't like it. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think down below, please. This is a mess of a video, and I apologize. It's already 7:53. 7:54 now. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and don't forget to find me on Friday. I will do another video, the last row. Yay! I'm very excited about that. Not that I'm excited to stop. I'm going to keep using Jawbreaker, obviously. There's so many colors I haven't explored and played with. And I think things like this, like challenges like this, get you out of your comfort zone, and that's what I enjoy about it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!